And welcome back to a brand new video. So we're going to start this video on the south side. The south pier is just there, and just behind me you can see all the machinery, all the cranes. We're going to have a bit of a look because there's something exclusive coming to Blackpool. Now in that space, if you remember, there used to be a theatre and it was designed by Lawrence Llewellyn, and not many people really used it. And that was sort of sadly demolished a couple of months ago now, but there's an upside down house going to be staying in its place, I believe for about 3 years. So you can see all the huge machines behind me. So we're going to have a bit of a look. I don't think it's going to arrive today. It might arrive later on this evening, but we're going to have a bit of a look around South Shore and just see what is going on, like I said, behind me. So come and join me on this one. And you can see all the huge machines. Look at that crane there. So there's no sign of the house at the moment. I guess they're getting all the foundations ready in place. And I'd imagine it's probably here within the next sort of 2-3 days maybe. It might even be quicker than that. You see a huge team working away there. Like I said, they're getting all the foundations on this one. So this is going to be a new two-storey, 23 foot tall upside down house attraction near the South Pier. Absolutely incredible. And apparently it's going to be operational all year round, so people can attend this one all year round. What a great attraction for Blackpool. Let me know in the comments, will you visit this one? What do you think? So just speaking to the chaps who are laying the foundation, and he actually said it's turning up today. Absolutely incredible. That's a quick move around. So we'll see if we can just capture it, just sort of hang around for a little while longer. So the first pieces of the house, and apparently just speaking to the guy at planning, and apparently this is the biggest one in the UK what is actually coming to Blackpool. So like I said, this hopefully, he was saying it all should be up and ready by today. It probably won't be open today. They'll have to do all the checklists and things like that. But the biggest one in the UK. So slowly but surely the pieces are coming off this truck. I imagine there'll be a couple of trucks turning up, but that looks like a window possibly. Is that like a window or something? It's going to be interesting to see once it's up. And you can even notice on the high vis it says upside down. Look at that. That's ironic. So we're going to leave it here. We'll revisit this one. Like I say, you can just see all the parts which are being laid out. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, this one. I just said to the chaps, have you got any instructions for it? It's like one of those toys, it's like 1,000 parts and you've got to put it all together. So apparently, like I said, there is 2 trucks coming, one in around a couple of hours time, so that'll be about 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock for the next load, and then they'll be spreading out and then putting it all together. Like I said, this is going to be amazing for Blackpool. Another great attraction what will be based here, the biggest one in the UK. And just on Central Drive you can see all the posters there. Look at that, making Blackpool better, restoring Central Drive back to its heyday. So this is just near the picture house and where the block of flats are on Central Drive, just where the old joke shop used to be. You can see they've plastered all of the fencing with the signs of what is coming to Blackpool. Just a little look back before eventually this will disappear, the old Central Club. And imagine all this land here. I wonder what we'll be building it. Brand spanking new houses, an entertainment centre. Who knows what an awful fire this was. Like I say, it lasted for about 2 days, the fire. And eventually the Central Club was demolished. and the old cinema. Now this one is becoming like a bowling thing, all sorts of different attractions with this one. And there was actually originally plans to build to a storage facility, but that got knocked back. And like I said, this is going to be opening up very, very soon. And like I said, this is going to be a centre for entertainment in Blackpool. So whilst we're in the area, have a quick look down Henry, and these are going to be demolished, the right hand side, next month. So we're going to have a quick look down, just see if there's anything changed since last time we was here. So as I mentioned in the last video, they're doing what's called a soft demolition. So basically they're ripping all the insides of the houses down, and then they'll come in and like I said, the main demolition will start. Like I said, that's due to start next month. But like I said, it's things like this, you know, you capture on video and people will look back and just see, you know, what used to be here. And just ventured onto Waterloo Road. Let's just see how Waterloo Road is like on a gorgeous day like this. And that's where the fire was, just on the left hand side, and the old post office. So absolutely wonderful day in Blackpool. So we are back out once again, and we'll see what's going on with this upside down house. And we're just near Central Pier. You can see looks like I got the parts for the waltzes, and like I say, it's all going on, ready for a brand new season. Look at the waltzes. I'm not sure if they're the new additions or they're being taken away and replacement ones coming. But yeah, it's all happening in Blackpool today. So let's go and check out what the latest is. So it's around sort of 5 hours since we was out last, and it looks like it's we'll have a bit of a walk around, but it's a complete jigsaw puzzle, this one. So it looks like they have started to put the base in there. So we'll have a bit of a closer look. So just a bit of a closer look. You can see they've already started laying the foundations. And so I'd imagine it's probably going to be 2 or 3 days before this is completely up. So like I say, it's going to be a fantastic one once it's all complete. We'll have a bit of a look around, just see all the different pieces, what makes this one up. So right before your eyes, this is all like the steel frameworks. All this will be going up. So it'll be like a shell being put up first, and then they'll start making a house. I mean, I wonder how long it actually does take to make a house. That's an interesting one. How long this one will take? A couple of days, and if all houses could be as quick as this one. Like I said, this is just the steel framework. So I think we'll leave the upside down to the expert. Let them unwrap everything, and slowly but surely you'll see this one being put up, and we'll keep you up to date when the opening is. Also, like I said, I imagine many people will be wanting to come to this one. It's certainly a great attraction. As I mentioned earlier on, it's the biggest in the whole of the United Kingdom. So like I said, let me know in the comments, you know, will you be visiting this one? Do you think it's a good thing for Blackpool? So I hope you enjoyed this pretty short video. Like I said, just a bit of an update in regards to that upside down house and the progress, but just looking over towards the Central Pier and the towers. Look how lovely the sea looks today, so calm of what we've been used to in recent weeks. So until next time, look after yourselves. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified of all the upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. So bye from me. So bye from Blackpool. Bye bye.